Hey there, polar bears. It's Steve with Altman Plants here on a blustery San Diego day. You know, it might not even be 60 degrees this afternoon. I know. Ugh. Well, I got a really cool plant for you. One of our patented Echeverias goes by the name of Arctic ice. It forms snowball-like rosettes 4 inches or more in diameter, of thick, fleshy, opalescent white leaves. And because of that luminous coloring, I think it would look absolutely fabulous in a wedding bouquet or table setting. And it's been a real champ here in our trial garden. And it's available now at shop.altmanplants.com. Until next time, I gotta go get that frost scraper. Toodles!